How does long division work when the dividend is a decimal? Start by bringing the decimal point straight up into your quotient. Let's see how this works by dividing 9.6 by 6. First, bring the decimal point straight up. Write the decimal point in your quotient before you start dividing. Now use the 4 steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Step 1. Divide. 6 goes into 9 one time. Write the 1 above the 9. Step 2. Multiply. 1 times 6 equals 6. Write 6 under the 9. Step 3. Subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. Step 4. Bring down. Bring down the 6 to make 36. Repeat the steps. Divide. 6 goes into 36 6 times. Write the 6 above the 6. Multiply. 6 times 6 equals 36. Subtract. 36 minus 36 is 0. There is nothing left to bring down. The quotient is 1.6. When the dividend has a decimal point, bring it straight up into the quotient before you start dividing. It goes directly above the decimal point in the dividend. Then divide normally using the 4 steps. One important reminder: place the decimal point in your quotient before you begin dividing, not after. This keeps the place values correct as you work. Now it's your turn. 18.9 divided by 7. Let's work through it together. First, bring the decimal point up. Then divide. 7 goes into 18 how many times? 2 times. Write the 2 above the 8. Multiply. 2 times 7 equals what? It's 14. Write it under the 18. Subtract. 18 minus 14 is? The answer is 4. Bring down the 9 to make 49. Divide. 7 goes into 49 how many times? 7 times. Write the 7 above the 9. Multiply. 7 times 7 equals? It's 49. Subtract. 49 minus 49 is? Yes, 0. There is nothing left to bring down. The quotient is 2.7. When dividing a decimal dividend, bring the decimal point straight up into your quotient first. Then use the 4 steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down.